Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a fun project and I have with me my friend John from
I Just Arted.
So I can't wait to get started and see you in a minute. Okay. Okay guys, so I got this package from my friend Kenny down in St. George, and it has skulls in it, and we are going to see them for the first time right now. I'm really excited. I've been looking forward to this for months.
We were planning on doing cat skulls originally.
Yeah, we got elk skulls.
Yeah. And I was going to make a bunch of swinging a dead cat jokes, but...
You can still make swinging a dead cat jokes if you want. I don't know how everybody will take it.
We'll see.
Got any elk jokes?
Not on me.
I have a bison joke. Want to hear it?
Yes.
What did the bison say to... Oh, I messed it up. See? I'm so bad at telling jokes. What did the buffalo say to his son when he went to school?
What?
Bye, son. Yeah, that was really sad.
Oh, man.
All right.
Refrigerate. I'm glad they put that on the inside.
Yeah, I didn't know I had to refrigerate it. That's not good.
Probably still got some meat on them.
Ew,
fine.
No, it's supposed to be clean. It's supposed to not have anything on it. Kenny, you packed it really good. You pack like me. Oh, here's one.
Oh, man.
Oh, that feels so good in my hand. Okay, we'll take that out. Here's the other.
I'll put this over here.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's awesome.
That is going to make a really beautiful home decoration.
Right?
That you can purchase for the simple, easy one payment of $200 for mine.
Yeah, I don't know nothing about mine yet. We'll figure it out.
We haven't even seen yours yet. I'm claiming this one.
Done.
Okay. This one is John's.
All right. Look at that.
That's awesome.
Those are going to look good.
They're going to look great. I'm excited to get started.
Right?
So the first thing we're going to do is take them outside and we'll paint them black. And then we'll bring them in and start decorating them.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. We're painting them now. We're going to do the front side and the back side. We're going to get a nice cover over the whole thing, teeth included. Okay, we don't want runners on it, so just make sure you don't have runners. I think that there was a couple on
Oh yeah, there's a couple right there.
You can lick your finger and wipe on it, and it'll take the runners away. Of course, now your hands will be black for the rest of the week, but
It's not the worst thing that.
it's still recording.
Okay.
Cool. Bet yours is
Alright.
dry.
Yeah.
We're close to it.
Close enough, I'm sure. You can see where it's dry right
That looks so cool.
there. Right?
That's awesome. Hey,
I'm way excited about this.
I'm way excited too.
It's gonna be an awesome video for October.
Oh yeah, October, yeah.
We had a ghost video last week. Sort of a ghost video.
Yeah. Tell me about it.
So, I went online, looked up 10 most haunted places in Utah. I figured I'd just find the closest one to here
Okay.
and go there and draw something, and came up with a place in Ogden, and they claimed it was like a mental asylum a while back, and that there were a ton of deaths and everything over there, and I got looking into it. Turns out that none of that was true at all, but it was a haunted attraction from like 2004 to 2014.
Okay, that's cool.
So they had to come up with a backstory for, you know, so they could sell tickets or whatever. So I still went over there and drew a pretty creepy picture, so it worked out.
Oh, that's good. So tell me about your channel. What do you do on it?
Tell jokes, draw, paint, and sculpt.
And what was the name of it again?
I just arted.
I just farted?
I just arted.
Farted?
That's it.
Okay. I just started. You guys go check them out. We'll plug you.
Perfect.
We'll get you in there.
I like it. These look awesome.
Yeah, did you see any spots in this? Any spots you missed? Yeah.
Yeah, just right there. I'm looking at the camera to make sure I catch it. Yeah, just like right on the teeth right there. There we go. How about mine? Did I miss anything?
No, you did really good on yours.
I have definitely never done graffiti in my life.
What? No?
No, I've done it quite a bit.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, everyone I know has done graffiti. Okay. So
There
now
it
we have
is.
to let these dry, right?
Yeah,
And then we'll take them into the camper and we'll work.
perfect.
Sounds good.
here they are. After the epoxy and drying for like 2 days. Oh my gosh, these are cool. Yeah.
So a little bit of time and a few rocks and you can make something just as cool. If you have any questions about how we did this, go ahead and ask that down below. I'd love to learn if you would like to do this, what kind of skull you would like to do, so be sure to leave that in the comments below too.
Yeah, and check out my channel. It's called I Just Arted. We do art and we do comedy. And that's it.
Yep, so be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next round.
That's it.
That's it.